Good day, my name is Maarten Cauwe. I'm an R&D team leader at imec, a research institute in Belgium, Europe. So what we try to do at imec is twofold. On the one hand, we try to quantify the impact of electronics on the environment. And we do that from basically the IC level up to the full printed board assembly. Secondly, we don't not only want to know what is impact, we also want to figure out how can we improve that impact. And what I'm presenting here this year is also ways to improve the sustainability of PCB manufacturing, mainly through some design guidelines. We started doing this research about 2 to 3 years ago. It actually was sparkled by a project with the European Space Agency, where we looked into making more green electronics for space applications. And from there, the ball got rolling into making generic models for PCB manufacturing and assembly.
Excellent. Well, thank you for all that you're doing for helping electronics become even more sustainable.
My pleasure. Happy to be here.